Could I interest you in some wine? Let's talk about 3 things on my mind this week. First, taking a break from running and gunning in VR to stroll over the streets of Portugal. Second, the imminent Ilysia Kickstarter. And finally, an update on the Walking Dead Onslaught trailer. To start, yes, I know I should get out more, but let's be honest, I'm a bit of a recluse. If I could stay in my house all day, every day, I'd probably be pretty content. As I get more into VR, I'm finding less and less reasons to go out. For example, I just finished working on a pretty intense Half-Life Alyx tutorial, which took me a few days to get ready to publish. I decided I needed a break, maybe go for a walk, clear my head. Instead of leaving the house, I took a trip to Porto Portugal to take in some sights in VR. You might think Half-Life Alyx is all about running and gunning with a sprinkle of puzzles and a damn good story. However, with workshop tools you can pretty much build anything. Don't get me wrong, the workshop tools certainly have their limitations and quirks, but this Porto Portugal map by HB is absolutely stunning. I'm looking forward to taking more of my vacations in VR. On another topic, this could be an exciting week for VR MMORPGs, as Ilysia have tentatively scheduled their Kickstarter for August 31st. I've been keeping a close eye on Ilysia for some time now, and the team behind it are definitely passionate about bringing all the elements players love from classic MMOs into VR. Keep an eye out for this Kickstarter launch announcement, and I'm going to be doing quite a bit of coverage when it drops. Finally, last week I released a video looking at the melee combat in Walking Dead Onslaught and comparing it to both Saints and Sinners and Blade and Sorcery. As a smaller channel, I definitely don't get the opportunity to try many of these games before they're released, so I was trying to base everything on what I could see in the trailer. According to Force on YouTube, the devs of Onslaught confirmed that the trailer footage is from an earlier build. The end product will have better physics and be closer to what we've come to expect from melee combat based on other recently released titles. Now this is great news, because I'll be honest, I wasn't completely impressed with the trailer. This wouldn't be the first time a release game was significantly different from the trailer, and I'm definitely willing to give them the benefit of the doubt. However, I'd really like to see a new trailer out in the next few weeks. I think that would really help convince gamers that this game is going to be everything they say it's going to be. If you're looking for some more VR news, check out Thrillseeker's bit this week on brain-computer interfaces for VR. If you're looking for news on upcoming releases, stroll over to Mateo311's channel and check out his news this week. If you're looking for something a bit more intense, Between Realities had Steve Knows on their show last week, and that was a really great talk to watch. As for me, I'm going to head back into Half-Life Alyx workshop tools and figure out what to build next. Hope to see you in VR.